So guys, we reached the spot. This is my sister, guys. Huh? So guys, now we reached the spot where we go to trekking for the custard apple and mushroom. And my sister is asking, sweetie, and my sister is asking to pluck me this tamarind. Let me do. Patka. Nan chupi. I got one. I also need one more. I just take one more. Na కంపిస్తుందా? What are you? Shape bro. One more, guys. My sister is full happy. She likes this tamarind. Now we are going to do trekking. Oh yeah. That's. This tamarind is so good, bro. We are going and doing trekking, guys. Guys, my father is saying you'll spot a bear over here. I don't know if it's true. Let's see where we can find the custard apple. Bro, guys, this tamarind is so good, bro. This tamarind is so good. Really good.
We will find
Those color, yes.
insect.
Guys, when I was small, right? I used to find those color insects. That's my very favorite insects. And really, I like them. So my father was like, now you will find those things. Let's see. Oh, going to find, guys. Go friend.
Same place.
Go washroom. Washroom. And very good. Sorry. Father is leading the line. Say hi. See me? Oh, there are ants over here. Wow. ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಸೀಮೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಸೀಮೆ ಶೂ ಹಾಕುಚೇನು ಬೇಗ ಹಾಕು ಬನ್ನಿ
ಕಪ್ಪುದ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಪ್ಪುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಫೆರೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಅವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೀಯ ನೀನು
ಗೈಸ್ the ant literally bit my mom.
ಅವು ತುಂಬಾ ಡೇಂಜರ್.
Guys, just see the ants here. There are a lot of ants. Very dangerous. Let's go. Come on, let's keep moving. Dada, did you spot the color insect? Dada, did you spot the colorful insects? Not yet?
I will spot now. I will find now.
Let's see. We have to keep moving, guys. There are a lot of
Can you hear the background sound of peacock?
Yes. That's my father who's doing the sound.
Actually, the peacock sound comes like that.
Okay. Everyone be together.
Sweetie, ಕರೆಸಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಜೂನಿಯರ್
That's the second.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಾ
We're not finding any insects, which is very colorful.
that one kind of tree is there man.
Okay. Okay, where is that tree?
ಆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ನೋಡು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಾ
Wow. There's a beautiful flower, I guess. Let's see.
Beautiful.
Ra. My sister wants to accompany me. Yeah, there's a wonderful and beautiful flower over there, guys. Yeah, there. Yes, sir.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನವ ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗ
Chappa.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
There's my sister, small sister. Guys, just see the flower, guys. Wonderful and beautiful flower. Lot of insects which will bite us. So you have to be very, 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 very careful. My parents, my family is ahead of me, so I have to catch up with them. Actually, I speak Kannada too, Telugu, English. I love speaking English and Telugu, so I rather speak Telugu and English instead of Kannada. Because it's like wonderful. I like it. Yo, the tamarind is so good, guys. I literally finished half of it. Yes, coming. Leeches ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಆ ಫುಲ್ ವೆಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೈಸ್ recently we went to Udupi. I think I made a video. I'll just try to post it for my mom. Those leeches which are in wetland Malenadu, they say, right? The leeches climbed upon my mother's face. Just see how beautiful is this thing.
This is bubbles ಬರುವಂತ
Okay.
ಇದು
Bubbles ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತೋಸಿ
ಒಂದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ನಡಿ going
ತಿನ್ನೋಚವ್ಯಾ
ಹೌದು ಬಾ ತಾಮ್ರಿನ್ ಬಾ ಸೀತಾಫಲ ಇದೆ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಆಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಗಿವರ್ ಏನು ತಂದಿಲ್ವೇ ಬೇಡ ಏನು ಬಬ್ಬಲ್ ಏನು
ಅದೇ ಬಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಚಿನ್ನು ಏನದು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡು
ಹಂಗೆ ಶಿಶು
ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡು
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೋ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
My father is making an experiment. You are wearing good dress for trekking. Huh? Hey, dress is so beautiful, right?
ಬಿಚ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಓಕೆ
My father is doing an experiment, guys.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ చూపిస్తారా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని ఎవరైనా చేస్తారా
ಏನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಗೈಸ್
ಬಬಲ್
ಬಿಡಿ ಗೈಸ್
ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ರಸ
leave that ಇದು ರಸ. This juice, the stem juice, right? It produces bubbles, they say. What's that? My father doing. Let's see. Let's see the answer, guys. The bird is screaming. Insects are chirping. The birds are chirping. Really wonderful. The birds are chirping us. Chirping. Oh man.
ಅದು ಬಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿರ ಹಂಗೆ.
My mother is not well actually today. Fully tired. Oh yeah. And the bubble solution is done by nature. By the nature, the bubble solution. Okay. Let's see the bubble comes on now. Have to blow it very lightly. Yeah! The bubble formed. Yes, guys. Actually, the bubble formed. Just see. See, guys. The bubble actually formed. Nature made bubble solution, guys.
ನೋಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆ ಜನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು.
Nature made bubble solution.
ಸರಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡು. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ರೌಂಡ್.
No, my brother is gonna try it out.
ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೈ ನೋಡು. ಎತ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Give it to me. Give it for me. Give it for me. That's what. Give it to me. Hi guys.
ಚಿನ್ನು
Just see, guys. My mother. Yeah, my mother even blowed a bubble. Blue. And my brother is doing now. Let's see.
ಜೋರ
See. Let's see. Yeah! The bubble formed. Only one bubble. That's fine, actually. Yeah! My sister just formed another bubble.
ಇದು ಎತ್ಕೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ.
ಅಪ್ಪಂದೆಲ್ಲ
Childhood memories of my father.
ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡು.
ಉಲ್ಲಾಸನೇ ರಾಮ.
Let's go again. We should keep on moving now, guys. Have to go run. Yes. Yeah, where is custard apple? You have to show it to the camera and the friends, right?
ఇంగ్లీష్లో సీతాఫలకాయ
Someone is calling, Dada.
మళ్ళా సీమగాయడ కొరికేసి తల్లి కొరికేసి అప్పుడే దాన్ని రావాల చూడు నల్ల నల్ల చీమ.
హలో
అయ్యో
యాడో తోటమూరలో ఉన్నాం మేము.
guys,
తిప్పించుకొని రావాలి.
just see my father is going. My father is finding custard apples for us.
Wild custard apples.
Yeah. Just see how my father is going.
Here.
Okay. Whoa, guys. Just see the custard apple. Oh, yeah. That, guys, the custard apple is so. Coming. The camera is very difficult to come over here. The camera. Yes. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Yes.
Show the video.
Yay! The custard apple looks very tasty. I'm gonna munch it up when we get to home. Huh? Getting to
So
home.
much of struggle we found.
Some custard apple, not so much. Okay.
అక్క ఎవరు అంటే అక్క నేనే అక్క. కొంబైన చిన్న తిప్పుకొట్రా. వద్దులేమ్మా తినొద్దులే. ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆಪಲ್ ವಿಜಯ್.
Yeah. Maginda. Maginde.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ನೀನು ಹುಣಸೆ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಓಯ್
Oh God. Yay!
Something fallen.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಗಾಂಡು 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 ಅದು ಗಾಂಡು ಕರಿಸ್ತಾ ಗಾಂಡು ಗಾಂಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ತೆಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿಗೆ. ಅದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ವಿಜಿ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Guys.
I got
We got only 3, right? We got only
Yes.
3. Guys, unfortunately, what you said, it's not a bad word, okay? We say for these and something, gandu something. It's not a bad word, okay? Don't mistake. Yeah.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್
My sister just loves telling hi, guys. Come, let's go.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್
ఎంతలు చెప్తావు ఏం మాట్లాడు ನಮ್ಮ వచ్చమా ఇష్టం
ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಗಾಂಡು ఉన్నాడా
గాండు
ಏಯ್ ಇರುವೆ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಅದು ಸುತ್ತ ಕಾಲು
ఓ గాడ్
ಅದು చేయಬೇಕು
ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ರೇನ್
ದೂರ
ದಿಸ್ ಹಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಏ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಂಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ವಾವ್
just see the nature guys
ಅದೇ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದು
ಅದೇ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ guys
Bye.
my sister just called me hello just wait a minute guys